Hello, kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe, and this is my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. The yellow and gold with purple underneath, sort of a purple wing situation on the bottom, red gems, and a green lip. You want to look at it a little bit longer? Too bad. Want some? Oh no. I'm gonna make it better. Don't look at the saliva lines in the roof of my mouth. Did I fix it? What is in my eye? This is Morphe 2, by the way. I didn't know they came out with a sequel. I'm looking at the camera. Concealer time. I forgot to record that part because I think I'm gonna do this thing where I film 2 videos a day, and to save storage, I'm gonna just like stop recording when I'm done with a step and have shown you that I'm blending it in, you know what I mean? All right, get away from me. Powder time, I'm using Naturally Neutral Airspun 07011, just like James Bond. What? Sorry, my best friend messaged me. I don't care to hear what you have to say. Spray time, NYX setting spray, dewy finish. There's just water in here now. It's been a while. Highlighter time, I'm gonna try just one, just the shimmery one. Shimmer white one. I'm gonna try just using this, just one of the 3 that I usually use, and see if I like it. And if I like it, I won't have to dig into those slightly smaller, inconvenient eyeshadows. And if I don't like it by itself, then I'll have to go back to it. You guys know the deal. I can't tell. I'm just gonna bronze, and after bronzing, if I don't know that, I'm just gonna bronze, and if I don't like it afterwards, then I'll just add the 2 other ones. I like colors. It looks like a cookie. I would like to be shinier. Skin flake. I just licked the brush. Ooh. I don't actually know. Do I like it? I don't actually know. Do I like it? Yeah, mad at me. It's probably good enough. I hope in my heart. Back up. Now, orange blush time. Probably this one from the Delanky palette. I always add a yellow orange on top of this. Kind of want to do that again. Or maybe this brownish one. Ew. I'm obsessed with that little creature. I just love that noise. Ew. It's become coral. I don't know how that happened. Is it usually this much? Hold on. Let me look at my own pictures on my Instagram and see if I need to call the police on myself. Oh, new Hulu. I do have the internet. You're a liar. Oh yeah, I just look like this. I'll just turn it down a little bit more. And that's good enough for me. Did it change at all? I don't know. Ow. I love looking like this from head on with this nose highlight, but then I look from the side and it's just like, what's going on there? Let them know. Let them know. Okay, I think I made my nose look a little bit bigger. That's okay because I am beautiful. If your friend was singing this to you, they would put their hand on your shoulder, but I don't want to touch you. All right, I'm gonna do my brows and one eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Me grabbing the camera so fast in the last video was really funny to me in editing, and also when I rewatched it. Okay, be right back. All right, I did both eyes and no, I can't blink and think at the same time, even though they rhyme all the time. I did both brows and one eye off camera, and once again, I don't know how to feel. I usually say that and then like it at the end. Does this invoke that one cat from Animal Crossing that people want to have special relations with? Cosplay idea. Not for me though. Time to do this one. I started with the yellow, obviously. Taking it up here. And that's the limit. Unless you're Lindsay Lohan and Mean Girls at the Mathathon. What's it called? Nerdthon? Nerd prom. Was it even prom or like a spring formal or something? I don't know. I haven't seen that movie in a long time and I haven't watched the new one. All right, and now I'm gonna do the glitter. Use an eye safe glitter if you're gonna do this. No, liner first. Made that mistake before. That feels wrong. Oh well. I love yellow eyeshadow, you guys. Now for the glitter. Use an eye safe glitter if you're gonna do this. I'm gonna use a nail glitter. Don't do what I do, just do what I say. Thank you, Sar March. I've actually never used this one before, other than on the other eye. I can't tell if that's wind or a gun. I don't have colored liners, but I think I'm gonna start using the Abby Roberts palette as my own, like, colored liner thing. We'll see how it goes, because I don't want to use it for eyeshadow. I'm so sorry, Abby. Oh, I'm making a wing just like this one, but down here, and also flip. Oh, this helps. I just flicked eyeshadow into my eye. My snot's gonna be purple. Oh no, it looks like a fish. I'm just gonna make it a little bit blended, just under the eye, not this part. I don't want to do that. I actually want a crisp, sharp line. Where's the brush? Using this flat brush. And if you wanted to, not that you're following along or anything, but if you wanted to, you could clean it up with concealer on the side. It does look like a fish. You guys see? Use an ice glitter if you're gonna do this. Isn't that pretty? They call me Phlegathon. Gem time, gem time. You know what? I kind of want to put one right there in the fishtails. Fishtails, the remake or the old one. I don't know. You and your life and your journey. Moving on now to mascara. If you can see that, I'll give you a gold doubloon. This one? Nice, wow. Time for lips. Back up. I'm doing a green. A good green. Probably this one from the Delanky palette. I know it's not Delanky, but I don't know how to pronounce it. Therefore, this is a little bit too blue for what I want. So I'm going to do a different one. Hope that's okay with you. My God, it's shiny. Done and brushed my these. Now it's time for jewelry, and I'm thinking pink. I wanted to do pink last time, the last video, and I can't remember why I didn't do that. I think it's because I was doing pink blush or pink lip or something. What did I do last video? I'm gonna do crime this video. My ding dang. This is what I get for making everything myself with hot glue. Oh, I accidentally fixed it by pushing it into the hole. No, no, no. Maybe it'll just sit. No. Never mind. No necklace today. This is what happens when I try to wear a necklace. Oh, whose nose did I make this for? Someone with a tiny nose. Where's my lash glue? I'm gonna have a freak out. They're teardrop shaped. Teardrops. Not to be confused with Teardrops on My Guitar by Taylor Swift. Fur duster. Cheese it. Good enough, probably. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. Forgot my outro. If you want, please consider liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, all of the stuff, all of the things, watching my other videos a bunch of times so I can monetize my channel. Me when I'm terms and conditions. Me when I'm the fine print. If you want to / are able to, I have a Cash App, JoeMoore684. That's me. If you want to and also can. Both of those things together are really important. There was something else that I wanted to say, but I forgot what it was. Oh, I don't really like the purple. It's too dark. Okay, bye.